Hey, welcome to this Windows and Computer channel. And of course, one of the things we haven't talked about for a while is the Microsoft Store. Of course, we talk about it for the themes that you can get. But there's one thing that pretty much is happening. It's the fact that the Microsoft Store is not very popular. Um, they've added a few things, including, selling Xbox and computers and stuff. Thing is, they still are kind of not really doing anything. This store, unfortunately, cannot compete with any other, and it's sad because what is interesting is that in the fact that Windows, is getting close to the billion mark. When you think about so many devices, but not being able to have a store that works, it's kind of weird. And less content. So, a few things were removed. If you guys remember well, here at the top there were ebooks, there was music, and those sections are now gone. And there's a lot of talk about how the other types of content, for example, the regular Edge browser has extensions through the store. Thing is when Edge Chromium becomes live, the extensions will come through the browser. So more and more, what we see is that basically the store is getting more and more useless. And honestly, games and apps, people still, a big majority, still download from the internet with their browser whatever game, whatever app they are using, which kind of tends to let me think that as time will go, the App Store will be less and less relevant in Windows 10 because, I mean, come on. And, there's so many bad apps also in here and things that are just trying to pass themselves as real apps but are just, a big joke. So, less and less of interest in the Microsoft Store. Will Microsoft eventually remove the store from Windows 10? Who knows? It, you know, it's something that could happen. And not counting the fact that a lot of people are coming back and saying, well, the store, I can't install anything from the store. I always get these error messages. It's, the store is trying to do what the Android and iOS stores on the Android phones and the iPads and iPhones do, is getting apps installed through a store because they want to control the content. Windows isn't like that. You can install from anywhere else. So it's a little like Android, but Android still has this. You gotta unlock the possibility to get it. And I don't know. It seems that for mobile devices, it's more of a logic thing to do than for Windows, for example. So, anyways, what do you think? What do you think of the future of the App Store? And have you purchased anything or downloaded stuff from the App Store on Microsoft Windows 10? Why not share your own opinion of the store itself? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.